Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing on the extremecraft.net. Just expect being a lot of cheaters because this server has like no anti-cheat. So yes, by the way, I am so sorry for not uploading for like 1 month, so I'm very sorry, but enjoy this keyboard and mouse sounds V2. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let's get right into the video. Enjoy. So this is my elo. As you guys can see, it's 1602 and his elo is 1400. That's the default elo. So enjoy the video. By the way, I get some good ping on this server, so I may get some sketchy and good hits. Oh, damn it. Well, I think he just gave up. Yeah, he basically just gave up. Well, that's sad. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Good fight. That was a nice fight. My hands are tired. Just to say that. But here we go, we have queued into another game. Let's just say in chat so people join faster, because I don't have time to wait here. There are actually so many people online, so please don't just join quicker, faster. Sorry for my English. Actually, I know how to jitter click. This is the sound of it. And this is the sound of my keyboard. Yes, and I'll see you when the next game starts. This actually, I think, is gonna be the last game, because I don't want to make this too big. God damn it. Oh god. Just leave a like if you guys enjoy this kind of videos. I would make more of these. Oh god damn it. Well, just enjoy the music, which I'm gonna play starting now.
I was just joking, man.
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dental. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dental. Could be my house, you act disciple. Heard that I'm liable. You get the eyeball, aim out the eyeball. I'm giving violent.
Take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.
I was just joking, man. I was just joking, man.
Knock to the condos. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Dudes. Knock through the condos. Through the condos. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Schoolboy from the five dudes. Five dudes. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your dinner. Could be my house, you rag disciple, or the I'm liable. You get the eyeball, aim out the eyeball. I'm getting violent.
Schoolboy Q. Man, I ain't gonna never tell you not to rap again. Man.
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose with it, yeah. Earn crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose with it, yeah.